Dang, right? Yep, I crashed it. I crashed it bad. Well, I just wish I didn't crash it, but I was being stupid to be very frank. That's the reason I crashed it. I was like, at this moment, I knew that I was screwed. Like, I'm not getting this drone back. Because, what's this? I broke the whole gimbal. Like, I thought DJI is not going to replace the gimbal. Maybe they're going to charge me around about $300 or anything because my camera was not working, my gimbal was broken, and you will notice that some part of the frame was also broken. Like when you look into the other side of the props, you will see there are tiny hairline cracks out there. Well, the whole package is ready right now, and we'll be going to the UPS store and we'll be giving this packaging to the UPS store. So what you guys gonna do is that when you guys got DJI Care Refresh, they actually gives you this return label. So the return label, and they'll give you address nearby. So yep, that's pretty much it. And let's see, we'll go to the store right now. We will see how much time we are going to track this whole shipment process. So today is the 13th of July, and we'll see how much time it takes for DJI to give us any reply. Good afternoon. Yeah. No, this is for. Oh, dang. Alrighty. Yeah. How you doing?
How are you?
Yeah, I'm just gonna ship this back.
Okay, you can put it right here.
I've got a label also. I just have to like attach the label. Oh, you got it. Thank you. I had a drone crash yesterday, so this is my drone. And I wish DJI gives me back another one, so I wrote them a letter and everything.
And they're giving you one?
Yeah, because I bought their accidental warranty and stuff like that. So let's
Where'd
see.
you crash it?
Dropped off my package in the UPS store, and yeah, met some cool people today. That's the reason I was thinking that maybe I'm gonna put this whole interaction with a lot of people today, and I found that to be pretty exciting. Okay guys, I'll keep you posted. Let me go and have some lunch today. So when I crashed my drone on Friday, Saturday, Sunday was off. I received the stuff from Monday that they have accepted everything. By Tuesday, they sent me a quote, and guess what? It was only $69. So all you people saying in the forums that they cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars, you guys are wrong. And then guess what? On Wednesday, they gave me a case report. I checked out the case report and everything. By Thursday, everything was shipped. And by Friday, they replaced the unit and delivered to me. Welcome back to the channel, Opinions Matter. US Space is showing that my drone is delivered to my house. So I'm pretty excited. Let's go and check inside. Nothing out here though. Let's go and check inside. You see this? Thank you, DJI. Thank you for returning my drone in 7 days. Only 7 days. Now let's open this up right now. So that's how they packed it and everything. We'll open this up. Whoa, there's a package inside a packaging. Wow. That's a really good packaging. Hold on a second. Let's open this again. So guys, this is what that DJI sent me. They sent me a new refurbished drone. I mean, like, it's refurbished,
but it's still new for me. Oh, thank you, DJI. Thank you for everything. This is channel Opinions Matter, and I'm going to share the whole story with the whole world, that how awesome I had an experience with you guys. And I'm not going to buy any other company. This is what I need. Thank you, guys.